What's going on? Mr. Dave here on the rock pile. Oh man, ain't it great being alive. Blue skies, puffy clouds, temperature totally moderate and wonderful, and we are having a great time on a 20-year-old job that I did 20 years ago. I had more hair. It's very sad. The hair loss it's very sad, but it is what it is. And so we are now in the process of taping it off and preparing it for a new color coat. Again, it's 20 years. We got 20 years out of this. Some areas that are more in the shade are still looking pretty good, and has multiple planters, even has a place for a little TV, back when you had to have a big box for a TV. That shows you how long ago it was. And we're even going to be trying to repair a Pebble Tech spa a little bit, at least to bring it back to life enough till it gets a full remodel. And so let's check this bad boy out. All right, you ready? So I'll walk back here this way so you can get a distant view. The whole yard is just so cool. They have these wonderful garden boxes and stuff. It's really like perfectly balanced, beautiful place. It's just like gives you a sense of peace. And it's the breezes of the coast are mere few miles away. I think you can see the ocean, I think. But it's just a beautiful residence. Wonderful landscaping. So this is the thing I built 20 years ago, and it has lasted quite nicely, actually. A few rust spots, which is kind of par for the course. And so we're taping everything off, getting it ready for the paint. And if there's any rust, we're going to get those ground out and patched with our high-strength fast-set cement. You can see the size of this thing. Michael's down there. He's, what are you, Michael? 6'8", 6'7"?
6'6".
He's 6'6".
Yeah.
So you can see we got a big bunch of rock work going up there. There's a sort of a tunnel through coming out of the waterfall. You can kind of climb out of the pool right there to get up in there. And then there's stairs on the back. So let's stroll over to the the stairs. I'm holding this in my left hand, totally twerking. I mean, not twerking. That's a bad word. That's so weird what people do. Anyway, so satellites here. This one actually finishes up against the wall, looking like it's a boulder, but it's just flush against that wall. Daniel's working on this pathway that goes through, so you can walk through over to the spa. It's actually a tunnel. You can also make a right turn and come right out here in the waterfall. Got some nice overhangs going on here. And so getting all that detailed taping and masking thing going on. Even made a bench in there, I guess. Yeah, there's a bench. So it's got some really cool details in there. So we're walking up the stairs. We had a corner that kind of rusted out a little bit, so I'm going to rebuild that. And going to put a drain in the starting pond right here and redo the edge a little bit there, again with that fast set. A lot of acrylic. And there's like an eagle's perch over here, so there's benches you can hang out, and which are above the spa, which is down there. Got a couple planters scattered around this thing. It's got a drain in there, so got benches, another planter over there. This thing is really cool. And so you walk across the waterfall to get to that area. Nice big planter here. Water just bounces down and kicks off into the pool. Beautiful. We're so close it's hard to see how crazy this thing is. And so we're walking down the stairs, trying to make you too seasick. There you go. So nice striations, angled rocks pitched out over the pool. Really good design. It's more work to get rocks to go upside down. You guys can check out the vertical artisans. They're doing a lot of cool work that way. And so we're redoing this, tuning it up, making it beautiful. So it's gonna be awesome. We'll show you a video when we're all finito. So anyway, Mr. Dave on the rock pile. Hope you're having a great day. Remember to be thankful for giving no matter what. You get those things dialed in, you're gonna be a master of your life, and you're gonna be a blessing to those around you. And we like that because Too many things are going on that's kind of crazy. So thankfulness and forgiveness, get those dialed in. You're going to be a dialed in person. All right. More information on how we do this is at davehenderson.podia.com. davehenderson.podia.com. Got free stuff there you can download and learn how we do this. Links to other platforms and my blogs are at www.davehenderson.com. So fun. Learn, grow, become. All right, you guys. Remember, you're the author of your book. You're the captain of your ship. You're the leader of your band. Don't let anybody else grab the baton if you're a band leader, and the helm if you're the captain of the ship, etc. So, yeah, take those bad thoughts captive, man. Toss them out. Only let good stuff in. All right, good stuff in, good stuff out. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you're having a good day. Be thankful and forgiving. Until next time, Mr. Dave on the Rock Pile. We will see you then. Okay, bye.